Hello, everyone. Thank you for watching the DevRelCon Yokohama 2023 speaker interview session. I'm today's host, Taiji, as a co-organizer of the conference. For this interview session, I'll introduce one of awesome speakers and have shooting. It takes about 10 or 15 minutes. Please have fun. Right? Today's guest is Cheuk Ting Ho at Anaconda. Right? Please welcome Cheuk.
Hello,
Hi.
hi.
Hi. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. It's a very
Yeah,
nice day for
cool.
me today.
Yeah,
Yes.
cool. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your time today. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. The purpose of this session is for the audiences to know you, and for more people to be interested in your session of DevRelCon Yokohama 2023. Right. Okay. First, could you please introduce yourself, Chuck? It's okay to talk about not only your business work but also the any interest, your hobby, the like sports, music, or something, right? Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So please go ahead.
So yeah, hello, I'm Check. So I work at Anaconda at the moment. So we have a DevRel team. So I'm one of the person who kind of the first DevRel person. So I also in the past contribute a lot to open source project, and I also organize a lot of lots of events, especially for those Python communities. So I'm really like into going to conference actually. So even before I am working in developer advocate, I always love to travel around, and especially when there's a conference, I would go there and meet a lot of new people, make a lot of friends. So now my traveling is even more fun because I have friends around the world. So I also like sampling different foods from different places. So I'm very very excited to go to Yokohama because I know there's amazing food there, and I'm definitely going to have a lot of fun there as well. Yeah.
Right, thank you, Chuck. You are the first developed people at Anaconda.
One of the first. So we have a new
One of
team.
oh,
So with only a
cool,
few
cool.
people. Yeah.
Recent the Anaconda established developed team. You mean?
Anaconda is maybe I would give people a brief
Mm-hmm.
introduction first. We are
Right.
actually a Python distribution that is designed
Yeah,
for
yeah.
data scientists.
Mm-hmm.
We are kind of in this data science space for quite a
Yeah,
while
yeah.
now, and so I think the company really wants to get more kind of in touch with the community. Really want to get more outreaching to
Mm-hmm.
introduce. What we are doing, our mission to people who are using our
Mm-hmm.
products, and also people who are practicing data science or learning data
Right.
science.
Yeah,
So
cool.
yeah.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, actually, I'm not familiar with data science industry, but I used to be working at IBM and to use Watson or something. So before that, sometimes I tried to use Python on the any Python platform or something. Yeah, but I'm not familiar with. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
And yeah, you love to go anywhere. You said the place, food or something, and yeah,
Yes,
right.
definitely. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm a foodie actually. So I
Mhm.
really like good food. So every time I go to a new place, I would
Mhm.
like the local cuisine. I would try. Um,
Mhm.
so to give you an example, last time I went to PyCon Ghana. So it's in an
Yeah.
African
All right.
country. It's very
Mhm.
different from what I know. And
Mhm.
I'm trying the local food, and even like the local people were surprised that I'm like so keen
Right.
to try their local, their jollof rice, which is a very nice rice, and then also some of the
Mhm.
okra stew, which is something that the texture
Right.
is a bit alien to Westerners, so they're kind of surprised. Oh, we have tourists that want to try
Yeah.
that, so
Yeah.
which is
Yeah.
good.
That's true. And so I hope that you like the Japan local food and especially Yokohama. Do you have you been to Japan to attend maybe the PyCon Japan or something?
Oh, this will be my first time attending a conference in Japan.
Oh,
Of
cool.
course, in the past, I have traveled leisurely. I love the country. It's
Mhm.
amazing. I really love the food there as well. So I'm very excited. Yeah.
Right. Nice. Excellent. All right. So next, I'd like to ask you about your talk session. Your talk title is "The What's Wrong with Hacktoberfest," right? Yep.
Yes.
Actually, today I wear the Hacktoberfest
Oh.
T-shirt and GitHub hoodie, right?
Yes.
So, yeah, I love the Hacktoberfest to the every year that I contributed to mainly per request to my any open source project or something. Yeah, that's all a really interesting topic. So, could you please introduce your session for the audiences? But the important things is, please no spoilers, right?
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
So
Yes.
yeah, I
Please go ahead.
Yeah, I think the idea is that I also joined Hacktoberfest, quite a while, that was before the pandemic. I joined Hacktoberfest. I had a good time with it. So yeah, I'm really like glad that we have these events. I think the idea is really great, but if you because I work with a lot of open source like maintainers, and they have different opinions about Hacktoberfest. So I found it very fascinating about this kind of, the idea is really good, but during execution, are we really that helpful in Hacktoberfest for the open source project? So there are actually more to the eye for Hacktoberfest. So there are actually some criticism that was flowing around in the open source community. So in my section, I will try to kind of decipher them, try to look at them to see what's what's the problem, and how can we solve the problem, because the idea of Hacktoberfest is really good, and I just hope the execution it will get better, and then all these criticism, this thing, we can address those problem and try to solve those. So we'll look into it together in my session.
Right. Cool, cool. That's a really important point you said. So, Hacktoberfest is a really good idea. I also think so. And as you mentioned, but the few issues they have, so all of our request is what kind of not right, not that just that some people only some people motivation that is only getting t-shirts or swags or something, right? Just for requesting
Yeah.
that something. Yeah, right. Yeah, but I think that your talk will bring us to deep thinking about Hacktoberfest world. Yeah, I believe that there are lots of the developers who are interested in this topic. They're also, I'm interested. Me too, right? Okay. Yeah. Right. So, thank you, Chuck. You have a great career of, I think, the community, data scientists, and open source world, right? And that's why I strongly recommend every developer guys, especially involved in the open source community or data scientist industry or something, they should attend your talk, right? Do you have anything else you want to say for the audiences this time? It's everything okay that you want us to say.
So please, if you're interested in kind of in the open source community, how we can improve it, I think this session would bring a lot of kind of thoughts to think about, how we can also in the future organize events, how we can kind of make it better. So really love to see you there, and really want to have a good discussion with all of you as well, in
Mhm.
person, or maybe after we can do online as well. So yeah.
Right. Yeah, excellent, excellent. All right, thank you for your time, Chuck, and I hope you also that you will enjoy DevRelCon Yokohama 2023 with us,
Yes,
right?
I'm sure
Okay.
I will.
Right. Okay, thank you for today, right?
Yeah, thank you.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.
All right, thank you, Chuck. And I will announce again the for audiences. Our conference, DevRelCon Yokohama 2023, will be held on March 10th and 11th. The ticket is now on sale. Save the date and waiting the day. Right? Thanks again, everyone. See you at the conference. Bye for now.